How's it going, everybody? My name is Brandon Thierry. Thanks for clicking on another one of our videos and welcome back to Review. In today's video, we are going to be reviewing the Wearable Ring Barcode Scanner by Eyoyo. I'm super excited about this review, so we're going to hop right into it. Okay guys, so this is the box that it comes in. Pretty small box. I wouldn't really expect anything much bigger than this. The barcode scanner seems like it's pretty small. So as normal, each Eyoyo product comes with a booklet with different barcodes that you can scan to do different commands for your scanner. So basically, this is for if you're trying to pair it to your computer using the dongle that is provided. Here it is right here. Basically what you do is you just put this inside of your computer, and then you would scan one of the barcodes here to connect the Bluetooth scanner to your computer. This can be super handy if you have a bunch of items that you're trying to scan in for your Amazon store, your eBay store, or pretty much anywhere that a text box is represented. There is a barcode that you can scan inside of this booklet which turns off the sound, which is really good if you're trying to go stealth mode when you're scanning inside of a bookstore or a retail store, something like that, and you don't want to be seen or you don't want to make up a lot of noise. Another thing that you can do in here is you can turn off the vibrations. I think a really good setting is to turn off the sound but have the vibrations still going. I think that's the best option. So this barcode scanner is pretty small. Here's a comparison next to the Eyoyo Bluetooth scanner that's not wearable. It's pretty small and it's very light. When I'm wearing it on my hand, I can barely notice it on my hand, which is super convenient, and it's super comfortable too. A really cool thing about this scanner is you can wear it on your right hand like this, right? Or you can take it off and you can turn it around like this, and you can wear it on your left hand. Super convenient, and like I said, it's very comfortable to wear. This barcode scanner also comes with a charger, of course. The charger is a Type-C charger. It charges very quickly. It charges full battery in about 4 hours, and it stays charged for about 10 hours if you're using it consistently all day. If you're not using it too heavily, the battery can last up to 14 hours. And standby is something crazy like 7,000 hours or something like that. So another really cool thing about this barcode scanner, barcode booklet, is you can actually scan a barcode to see what battery level it is at, which is a new thing that Eyoyo has been doing, and I think it's really important because if you're out scanning or you're about to leave your house, you really want to know how charged up your scanner is before you leave, because you don't want to be out scanning and your barcode scanner dies, because at that point you're pretty much dead in the water. So in order to pair this Bluetooth scanner with your phone, it is very simple. What you have to do is just hold this button until it beeps, and then you can connect it to your phone using Bluetooth. So you see it just bleeped and the blue light is blinking, and at that point you can go onto your phone and find it on your Bluetooth settings and connect it, and you can pair it that way. Or what you can do if you're trying to pair it to your computer, like I said earlier, is you're going to use this dongle. You'll be using this dongle right here. You'll plug this into your computer, and then at this point you'll want to go into your computer, into your booklet, and you'll go to page 12. First you'll scan this, and then at this point you would already want the dongle into your computer. After that, you want to just scan this one, and your barcode scanner will actually be paired. So it's super simple to pair it to your computer, so you do not worry about that. The light is still blinking because I did not have the dongle into my computer yet. Okay, now let's talk about speed. So you don't want to be slowed down while you're doing your scanning, and a lot of people were concerned that for the price point this scanner wasn't going to be very fast, but I can vouch for Eyoyo and say that this scanner is actually an extremely fast scanner. Compared to their other models, I believe this is actually the fastest scanner they have. So So as you can see, you will not be slowed down by the speed of the scanner, but only by the speed of your hands or by the speed of your employees. So don't worry about that. Very quick, very comfortable, very small, and I think it looks pretty good. This is the second model. The first model had a little on and off switch. They got rid of that, and the first model also was a mini USB as opposed to Type C. I really like the Type C chargers because it matches with my phone. It's very strong. It seems durable. I know the other barcode scanners, like this one, I've dropped this one maybe 50 times or more just while I'm out doing scanning. This one is still in good condition, so I imagine this one is very durable as well. Okay, so now let's talk about the price point. The price point is about $75.99. I recommend buying it on Amazon, especially if you're a Prime member. You'll be getting that Prime shipping, so it's a much better deal. Eyoyo has very good customer service. They've helped me out many times. Before I was even talking to them, they sent me an email just asking me how the barcode was doing, how the barcode scanner was doing, and they actually reached out even on Instagram and double checked to make sure that they were providing good service and that the item was in good quality and that I enjoyed my purchase. So definitely don't be scared to buy from Eyoyo. Give them an email or give them a DM on Instagram and they will help you out with pretty much any problem that you have. But I doubt you'll have any because so far their products have been top of the line, cheap, affordable, and good customer service. So yeah guys, that's pretty much the whole review on this scanner. I really recommend it. Honestly, it frees up one of your hands while you're out scanning, which is pretty much priceless. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all I can say. Thanks so much for watching another Wii review video. Make sure to leave a like and a comment if this helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching and good luck.